Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 712, and today's topic is the health benefits of sunflower oil. Sunflower belongs to compositive family and it has thousands of year history. The Indian American tribes, American Indian tribes, they were using this oil for thousands of years and they were knowing the health benefit of sunflower oil. And as we know that some 2,000-3,000 years before there was nothing like phytochemistry, omega-6, omega-3, but it was known to them that this sunflower seed oil is very healthy and they were using it with fish cooking and they were frying other material and they were knowing that it is better than many vegetable oil, and it was because of this reason that sunflower seed oil is rich in omega 6 fatty acid. In general, it is rich in unsaturated, unsaturated, monounsaturated fatty acid glycerides. And this fish is rich in omega 3. And we know that we are getting omega 6 fatty acid from different sources. But from all sources, we are not getting omega 3. Omega 3 is mainly from fish or from nut, that is walnut or flaxseed. So those American Indian tribe people, they were using it, so they were balancing without knowing this thing, that when fish is cooked with sunflower seed oil, it is very healthy. So actually omega 6 they were getting from sunflower seed oil, vitamin E they were getting from sunseed flower oil, and omega 3 they were getting from fish. So in that case, these phytochemicals, omega 6, omega 3, vitamin E, and of course sunflower seed oil is also rich in vitamin A, they were protecting their health, they were healthy, and their oxidative stress was drastically reduced, their skin was healthy, and their aging process was not premature. They were not suffering from premature aging. So all these benefits they were enjoying. And today we are extracting this oil by expression method or by mill method or by extraction with organic solvents like hexane or benzene, any organic solvent. Mostly it is hexane, and it is pale yellow in color, and it is the mixture of glycerides of linoleic acid, oleic acid, and these two acids, they constitute up to 80% poly and mono unsaturated fatty acid, and others are palmic acid, stearic acid. And this sunflower seed oil is one of the richest in vitamin E as compared to many other oils. That's why this oil is very good as an antioxidant, and because of its medicinal property, now it is used for massage purpose, and athletes even they are using to massage and to get the vitamin D by exposing to sunlight. It is also rich in vitamin A, that is beta carotenoid. And also another advantage of this oil is that it is having high smoke point, burning point, and that is around 470 degree Fahrenheit. So this is also another advantage, that we can use it for deep frying the fish, yam, potato, so many things, and there will not be the oxidation and we will not get the free radicals. And this oil is nowadays used if somebody is suffering from constipation, it is given. So nowadays sunflower seed oil is mainly used to reduce the cholesterol level, that is especially the bad cholesterol, that is called LDL, low density lipoprotein, and in general oxidative stress. That's why the chance of risk of cancer is also reduced when we are using sunflower seed oil. And also it is used to treat some skin swelling, inflammation, and even if some wounds are there, people are applying, because it is also powerful anti-inflammatory because of the presence of vitamin A and vitamin E, and also omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. So in general, sunflower seed oil is having lot of health benefit, and also it has lot of medicinal properties also. So the health benefits of sunflower oil, and also we can say the medicinal importance also of sunflower oil, and botanical name is Helianthus anus, and it belongs to family Compositae. Number 1, the sunflower oil is obtained by milling or extracting with organic solvents of the seeds, and milling means by expression method, and extraction means with organic solvent like hexane. It can be extracted out from the seeds. It is pale yellow in color, and a bland and agreeable taste. Bland means dull taste. Number 2, it is the mixture of glycerides of following fatty acids like linoleic acid, and this linoleic acid is 66%, oleic acid is 21%. So if you combine these two, it is more than 80% polyunsaturated fatty acids are present in sunflower seed oil, and it contains palmitic acid 6.4%, stearic acid 1.3%. So overall we can say that this oil, the sunflower seed oil, is up to 90% poly and mono unsaturated fatty acids, especially the omega-6 fatty acid. So in this way it is very rich source of omega-6 fatty acid, omega-3, mono and poly unsaturated fatty acids, and that saturated fat is almost negligible. It is 1.6 to 2% only, and the saponification value of sunflower seed oil is 188 to 194, and its iodine value is 125 to 136. It is soluble in alcohol. Insoluble. It is not very much soluble. We can say it is less soluble. Less soluble in alcohol, ethyl alcohol, but it is fully miscible in petroleum ether, benzene, hexane, and chloroform. Number 3, it is used as edible oil in cooking, as food also, because it is also used to spray on salad, mixed with salad, and sometimes they are also taking it as a food, and mostly it is used as a cooking oil and in salad, and making hydrogenated products also, means sometimes out of it, once it is hydrogenated, means all the double bond is converted into single bond saturated, then we can produce the hydrogenated fat, or we can call it margarine. Sunflower is loaded with vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids, and it is good source of mono and poly unsaturated fatty acid. Number 4, it is very rich source of vitamin E and known for its high smoke point that is 460 degree Fahrenheit. It contains more than 80% of mono unsaturated fat, that is oleic acid, make it very good for heart because it can reduce the oxidative stress since it is very rich in vitamin E, vitamin A and poly and monounsaturated fatty acid. It is a very good, excellent antioxidant, and in this way it can drastically reduce by knocking down, by destroying or damaging the free radicals which are produced in our metabolic process, and in this way the chance of the risk of cancer and other diseases will be drastically reduced. So from health point of view, today sunflower is one of the best cooking oil, and make it very good and for heart because of it can reduce the oxidative stress, and it can also reduce the LDL, that is low density lipoprotein. The reason is that once we have high density lipoprotein, that is bad cholesterol, there is always chance of clot formation. And also this sunflower seed oil is rich in vitamin K also, and that vitamin K is very much helpful to allow the blood to be thin, or we can say it will not allow the formation of blood clot once vitamin K is there. So number 5, it is good for skin because it is rich in vitamin E. Actually, sunflower oil is one of the richest in vitamin E as compared to other vegetable oils, and that's why it is very good for skin. It is skin friendly, and it also contains vitamin A. It is energy booster because of unsaturated fatty acids. It is energy booster means it is having poly and monounsaturated fatty acids, and these fatty acids, they are not going to be deposited, they are not going to be oxidized in the form of lipid or fat. So they are directly converted into glycogen, and from liver it is released. So it will immediately boost our body energy level, and it directly helps the discharge of glycogen into the blood stream from the liver. This is very important property. This property coconut oil is having, because that coconut oil is having medium small size carbon chain saturated fatty acids. But all these unsaturated fatty acids, it is loaded with 80%, more than 90% poly and monounsaturated fatty acids. So because of that, it is direct source of energy. Rather than it is going to be stored, no, directly it is released in the form of glycogen as energy, and that's why your liver is also well protected. Once it is going to be deposited, and then if it is released slowly, it means your liver will become fatty. That is called fatty liver. So it will not allow liver to become fatty because it is directly releasing from liver in the form of energy, and once it is directly releasing in the form of energy, directly you will feel energetic, and it will boost your energy level of your body. Number 6, sunflower oil is one of the richest source of vitamin E. I have already told you, and that is why it is skin friendly and is used for treating skin inflammation. Skin inflammation means if you have any rash, eczema or acne or any type of swelling. For all these purposes, nowadays, recently, they have started using sunflower oil, because sunflower oil is very rich in vitamin E, and vitamin E means it is powerful antioxidant, so it can reduce drastically the presence of free radicals, and that's why healing will start quickly. That's why this is very good for skin and for hair also. Inflammation, massage, wound and swelling of skin. It is good for constipation. If anybody who is suffering from constipation, give 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, it will make the stool smooth and the suffering from constipation will be drastically reduced. It is good for hair because it is rich in alpha linoleic acid, and that alpha linoleic acid is good for healthy hair, and it will not allow the hair loss, and is used to treat the hair loss. It improves immune system. It's very clear since it is very rich in antioxidants, and it can knock down and damage all the free radicals. Once free radicals are drastically damaged, means your oxidative stress is drastically reduced, and once your oxidative stress is reduced, your immune system will be strong. So it is enhancing your immune system and good for digestive system. So with this I will stop here. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.